that stone, is James David Spaulding. He was born in 1844 in Byron, Illinois. He and his brother E.B. Spaulding agreed that one of them would enlist for the service in the Civil War, and the other one would stay home and care for the family. James is the one who stayed home. He came to Sioux City in 1867 to work for D.T. Hedges in the dry goods business. In 1870, he began managing Hedges Lumber Yard and bought the entire interest in that business in 1873. He married Sarah Warner Avery, widow of George Coffin Avery, in 1874. The Averys are over here. We'll talk about them next. Spaulding's stepson, George Warner Avery, later partnered in that lumber business, which operated until 1960. So, over here, I don't have a picture of him, but over here is George Coffin Avery. He was born in Lowell, Massachusetts in 1831, and he came to Sioux City in 1856 as a clerk in the land office of Cassidy and Clark. He served during the Civil War from 1862 to 1865. Between 1865 and his death in 1870, he served as alderman of the 1st Ward, clerk for the county recorder, who was T.J. Stone at the time, and county treasurer. So, Wire Spaulding and Avery next to each other. This guy died, he married his wife.